Part 2, While Loops. So welcome back. In the first part of this video, we'll look at for loops and how they allow us to execute a block of code a specific number of times. Now, let's take a look at while loops, which are a bit different. A while loop is a statement that allows us to execute a block of code repeatedly as long as a certain condition is true. The syntax for a while loop looks like this. The condition is the expression that must be true in order for the loop to continue executing. And inside the loop, we can put any code we want to execute repeatedly. Let's look at an example. Suppose we want to print the numbers from 1 to 10, but this time, using a while loop, we can do this. Here, we're using a loop variable I that starts at 1. Inside the loop, we're printing the value of I using the system.out.println method. And after each iteration, we're incrementing I by 1. The main difference between a for loop and a while loop is that a for loop is best suited for situations where we know exactly how many times we want to execute a block of code. In contrast, a while loop is best suited for situations where we don't know exactly how many times we want to execute a block of code, but we know the condition that must be true in order to stop the loop. That's it for this video on repetition in Java. I hope you'll find this useful.